How do I back my case up? How do I move it to a new computer? How do I save my things? This is a common question that we receive, and it is as easy as having a place for it to go. I'm currently going to use a USB stick. You can use an external drive. You can use an online file sharing service or drive like Google Drive, Dropbox, Box.com, Microsoft OneNote, any of those, any place that you can put a folder and bring it back in. I'm going to put a USB stick in here for you. As you can see, it's blank. I'm going to open File Explorer at this point and navigate to where my case is built. My case is called Online Demo. As you can see, here are the folders that are created by OnCue when you first set a case up. There's my synced video inside of there, as well as my documents that are inside of here. So I will take this case at this point, and I will simply take the Online Demo folder and I will move it directly to the USB drive. At this time, it will copy everything over to the USB drive so that everything that needs to be in the case is there. This includes the file that OnCue is going to look for, which is this MDB file, to open it back up. The MDB and the XML are both included. So rather than moving just these files, it's best to go ahead and move the whole folder. Now, this is what your case name is. Once you have everything moved over, it's as simple as moving to whatever computer you need. You do not have to worry about volumes. And I want to show you, as you can see, this is coming from my C drive right now. Once I put this on my USB stick, I'm going to delete this particular case right now from my C drive. So we're going to delete that. We're going to empty our recycle bin. And there are 19 items in there. We'll just delete that out. And now I'm going to pull the stick from my computer. So it is completely gone. When I open OnCue, it is going to look for that recent case that it used. So once the recent case comes up and I click on Online Demo, it says, do you want to remove this entry from the list? I'm going to go ahead and tell that yes. Just remove it from the list. And now I need to either open a case or create a new one. I'm going to stick the USB drive back in, and at this point I'm going to move this case as if we were on a new computer. I'm going to move it to my D drive. So here you see I open up my D, and I simply take this and move this case over to the root of the D drive, and it is now moving over. And when I open OnCue, what I will be able to do is navigate to this folder. So this is exactly what we would do if we were on a brand new machine or we had moved to another device of any sort to bring it back up. So now, as you can see, that has moved over completely. It's now on my D drive. Let's go ahead and open up OnCue. At this point, we have no recent cases. So we will simply do an open, and we're going to browse to the folder that we moved over on our D. Clicking the D drive, we open Online Demo, and we simply hit Select Folder, and now everything is back as it should be. Everything's been backed up. Here's my transcripts, and I can check and make sure that my video is there. And indeed, my video is here. My transcript is here. Everything works as it should. There's the ActiveX error we discussed earlier. The way to cure that is through Preferences, and check the Use Legacy Media Player here. And we'll go back down and click this again. And as you can see now, it works. Everything is there simply by moving one folder.